Um, I have already planted around 100 or more bulbs of the tulip, daffodils, crocus, and iris in this bed. I have a lot of other varieties of tulip and hyacinth and other things in the kitchen garden, but now I want to plant more and get a festival of flowers this year. So I went to Morrison's and Lidl and bought more tulips. They're very cheap, £2. When I say cheap, you can compare it with what you can buy online or in garden centers. So the tulip variety Crystal Star 10, 10, 20. Tulip variety Akebono and Akebono more. Tulip variety Akebono again. Tulip variety Flaming Parrot. This is completely new to me. These were the yellow varieties of tulip, and now we go for the orange and red varieties. This is a variety called Lambada, Brazilian color. Spring by Y, written the I instead of I is written by Y. Lambada again. Here I have the tulip red blend from Morrison's. I have here tulip spring again from the Lidl. I have here Negrita double. I have here this Hoist 10 Bosch. And again Negrita double. So these are the red and orange and purple varieties. Now here I have tulips purple blend. Well, if it is that purple, then this must be pink. Okay, blue. To my eye they look blue. I think you also agree that this is blue. And 12 for £2. These are 10 for 169 from Lidl. And okay, 2 again. Purple haze is a mixture of hyacinth and tulip. This is a Muscari blend. Is a kind of from Russia, Siberia kind of bulb that grows later between April and May. Those ones will grow from March to May. Again, tulips purple blend, hyacinth mix, beautiful. And winter cannot be winter without having some snowdrops. So 10 snowdrops from the Morrison's. So we have a variety of tulips here that we are looking forward to see flowering.